Go ahead.
Do both. Okay.
Can we do it all?
Say, wait.
I want to challenge you to singing men's group.
I didn't get the recording.
Anybody else want to challenge anyone else?
This is the women's 18 hole doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. And we're challenging the ladies 9-hole league and the men's Tuesday
morning league.
morning league.
Okay.
Nice.
And Bobby missed my whole day.
Yes, your hair is dry.